Hey Zeta Army, my name is Maz, and in this video, we're going to cover a step-by-step guide on how to trade options on the Zeta Markets platform. Let's get started. When logging on the Zeta Markets platform, you will see our terms and conditions pop up. Once you have read and understood them, press the checkbox and select Agree and Continue. You have now entered the Zeta platform. Next, we will connect your wallet. Head to the top right-hand corner of the screen and press Select Wallet. Choose your desired Solana wallet, press Connect, and allow Zeta access to your wallet. After logging into your account, you will be able to view your wallet address in the top right-hand corner of the screen. After this, you will see an onboarding flow pop up. This covers some more details about the Zeta Markets platform. Next, you will need to deposit some USDC. Press the purple deposit button, select the amount of USDC you would like, approve the transaction, and you have now successfully deposited USDC in your account. Head to this part of the screen and select Options Trading. Once you have selected options, it will be highlighted in purple like so. Now let's select an option to trade. First, we're going to choose between a call or put option. Next, we will select the expiry. This is the date and time at which the option will be exercised and settled. After this, we will select the strike price. This is the price that will be compared to the sold price at expiry to determine if your option expired in the money or not. Once you have selected your option, you can then enter the trade details on the trading panel on the right side of the screen. For this example, let's say we think the price of SOL will be going up, so we decide to buy a call option. Once you select buy, you will see it become highlighted in green. After this, you will want to enter the price you are willing to buy or sell the contract. Something to note here is that you can click the order book to input prices. For convenience, we have selected the market price by default. Once the price is inputted, you can enter the quantity of options contracts you wish to trade. Before we execute our trade, let's take a look at some of the available trade metrics on the screen. Here, we can find the initial margin. This is the amount of capital you need to put up to put your trade on the order book. To the right of that, we have our trade value. This is the value of assets you are purchasing. Below that, we have the maintenance margin. This is how much capital you need to keep this position open once the trade has been executed. Something to note here is that this is less than the trade value. This is because Zeta allows under-collateralized trading. We are now ready to execute our trade. Simply click the green Buy Call button at the bottom. Once the trade is placed, you can manage your open orders and positions from the bottom left side of the screen. Here you can access actions for canceling orders and closing positions. And that covers it. Now you know how to set up and trade options on the Zeta Markets platform.